Hello everyone, and today we are going to test out all of these slimes to see 1 out of 10 how good they are. And please subscribe and like and enjoy this video. So, first one we're going to try out is this unicorn jiggly slime, whatever it is. Let me try and open it with one hand. Okay. Take it out. Okay. We got most of it out. We got almost all of it out. Okay. Let's start with poking. Is it good with poking? No. I'll give that 2 out of 10. Is it good with not giving a mess? Yeah, it's good with not getting a mess. And this slime does not get on your clothes. It's very nice. I prefer this. But does it do a good swirl? No. I'll give this, okay, let's see how good it is out of everything. Of all of our list. It's about 5 out of 10. I'll give this 5 out of 10. Okay. Moving on. Gotta get everything out of the way. Okay. Now, we are going to try this slime. Made it myself. It's probably horrible. But let's see. I don't know. It depends on different people. If they don't like it, they don't like it. Okay. So here's this slime. Is it good at poking? I'll give it 4 out of 10. Is it good at getting messy? Is it good at not getting messy? No, it is very messy. It gets everywhere. Does it stick on your clothes? It does if you leave it there for a while. But if you pick it up right away, then it won't. I'll give that about 5 out of 10. Is it good at its swirls? Let's see. No, it's not good at swirls. Or I'm just probably not good at swirls. I'll give this 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Now we're going to try this one. Gotta move all these yellow balls out of the way. Okay. Now, we're going to try this one. Once again, I made this one by myself. But, okay. So we're going to take it out, move it. Okay. So, it has these beads that look like, fruits. Different type of fruits. So, let's see if it's good at poking. Okay, that's about 7 out of 10. It's not loud, but it does poke really good. Okay. Is it messy? No, it's not messy. It's not messy at all. It doesn't get on your clothes. See, it doesn't get on my clothes. It's good at swirls. Let's see if it's good at swirls. Kind of feels like a little more like putty than slime. Because it doesn't really stretch. Oh crap, I forgot stretching. Okay, I'll do that on these ones. No, that's not good. I'll give this 8 out of 10. It's pretty good overall. Now, let's see this slime. It's actually putty, but let's see how it is. It says it smells like soda, like Sprite. Let me smell. No, it just smells disgusting. When I first got it, It did smell pretty good. Let me put you down. Okay. So let's see if it's good at popping. Really good at popping. Okay. I'll give that an 8 out of 10 actually. Okay. Okay. See if it's good at swirling. Hold on. Swirling, 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 swirling. Let's see. No. Just looks like a slug. Okay, how about stretching? Pretty good at stretching. Broke a little bit, but that's all. Does it get messy? No, it does not get messy. Does it smell good? No, it does not smell good. It smells like trash. It just smells like glue. It's okay. If you guys like the smell of glue, well then you might just like this. Yeah. I'll give this 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Okay. Now this galaxy goo. Okay. Ugh. Ew. Okay. Gotta get it out. Let me get out some of it. Okay, let me get out all of it. Hold on. Ooh. Okay. Okay, let's see if we're good at its pokes. Yeah, that's 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 pokes. That's amazing. Stretchiness. It's kind of good with stretchy, kind of. I'll give that 6 out of 10. Is it messy? No, it's not messy. Is it? It looks pretty cool though. What else? What else? What else? Yeah, that's pretty much. I'll give this actually a 9 out of 10. Yeah, 9 out of 10. It looks pretty cool. 9 out of 10. Okay. Now, this Elmer's goo. I kind of tricked my aunt with it, but it's kind of, yeah. Told her she wanted some glue, and she was like, yeah, I want some glue. So then I gave it to her, and she was like, this ain't glue. I was like, yes, it is. And she's like, no, it's not. So, yeah. Okay. Get the Elmer's goo out. Ah! I almost fell. I caught it. Okay. Ah. Sticky to me. That means it's very sticky, very messy. It gets on clothes. That's none. No, we do not like that. That is about 3 out of 10. Is it good at pop? At like whatever, poking. It's pretty good at poking. It's not pretty loud, but it's pretty good. Okay. Now, is it good at stretching? Yes, it's really good at stretching. I'll give that 8 out of 10. Okay, how about swirl, swirl, swirl. Yes, it's really good at swirls. I'll give that 8 out of 10. Overall, this is actually 10 out of 10. Good. Overall. 10 out of 10. Okay. Now, this pink Elmer's goo. And it's supposed to smell like fruit slushy. Scented. It says it was scented. See? Scented. Okay, let's see. Okay. Ooh, feels good. Okay. So it has like these beads in it. So I guess we have to see if it's crunchy. It's crunchy. No, it's not really crunchy. Does it poke good? Oh, yes, it does. I'll give that 5 out of 10. How about stretchiness? Stretchiness. Yeah, that's really stretchy. How about swirl? Swirl. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty good swirl. I'll give that an 8 out of 10. Is it messy? Yes, this is messy. It gets these tiny white balls everywhere. But overall, that's like a 8 out of 10. But yeah. Yes, those are all of the slimes. Like if you liked it. Comment if you have any questions. And then, yeah. Have an amazing day.